Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya.
Welcome to Alex and Maya's Science Lab.
Behold, I possess the power of telekinesis. Watch closely as I move this metal clip with my mind. Go, move!
Nice try, Alex. But I think your mind power looks a lot like a magnet hidden under that book.
Aw, man, you caught me. But it's still pretty cool, right? I'm not even touching the paperclip, but it moves.
It is cool. That is the invisible magic of magnets. And today we are going to see just how powerful this invisible force really is. Okay, Alex, to understand your magic trick, we need to know what a magnet actually is. A magnet is an object that produces a magnetic field.
A field? Like a soccer field? Or a cornfield?
Not exactly. Imagine an invisible bubble around the magnet. You can't see it, you can't smell it, and you can't taste it. But if certain metals get too close, snap.
Whoa, it grabs it right out of the air.
Exactly. Magnets love to pull on metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt.
So if I use the plastic spoon, nothing would happen.
That's right. Plastic, wood, rubber, and glass are invisible to the magnet. The force goes right through them.
Wait, it goes through them? Like a ghost? That gives me an idea for a challenge. Okay, Maya, here is the test. Can I pull that paperclip out of the water without getting my hands wet?
I don't know. Can the magnetic force swim? Let's ask our friends watching. What do you think? Will the magnet pull the clip through the glass and the water? Yes or no?
Here we go! Yes, success! The paperclip followed the magnet right up the side of the glass.
See? The magnetic field passed right through the glass and the water to grab the metal. It's strong stuff. Now, Alex, we need to talk about the most important rule of magnets. Every magnet has two ends. We call them poles.
North and south? Like on a map?
Just like a map. One is the North Pole and one is the South Pole. And they have a very dramatic relationship.
Dramatic? Are they fighting?
Sometimes they attract, and sometimes they repel. Repel means to push away. If we put a North Pole near a South Pole, they are best friends. Snap. They stick together instantly.
They hug. That's nice. But what if I put north next to north?
Time for another guess. If we try to push two North Poles together, will they stick or will they push apart?
I'm trying. It feels squishy. Wow, it feels like there is an invisible spring in between them. I push and they push back.
That is called repulsion. Like poles, north and north or south and south do not get along. They will always push each other away.
So magnets are cool for tricks, but do we use them for anything big or just holding my art on the fridge?
Oh, Alex, magnets are everywhere. In fact, you are standing on a giant magnet right now.
What? The ground is a magnet?
The entire Earth is a magnet. Deep inside the Earth, there is swirling liquid metal that creates a massive magnetic field. That is why compasses work. The needle in a compass is a teeny magnet. It always points north because Earth's giant magnet is pulling on it.
That is huge. So sailors use the Earth's magnetism to find their way across the ocean?
Exactly. But that's not all. Did you know we have trains that float?
Floating trains? No, you're making things up.
It's true. They're called Maglev Trains. Remember how the two North Poles pushed each other away?
Yeah, the invisible spring feeling.
Engineers use powerful magnets on the bottom of the train and on the tracks. The magnets repel each other so strongly that the train lifts off the ground.
It floats on a cushion of invisible magnetic force? That means no wheels then.
No wheels touching the track. That means no friction, so they can go super, super fast. Here is a quick did you know? Some animals, like sea turtles and birds, have tiny magnetic sensors in their brains. They use the Earth's magnetic field like a built-in GPS to migrate thousands of miles.
So a turtle is smarter than me? I get lost going to the kitchen.
All right, Captain Compass, it's time to test your magnetic memory. It is quiz time. Question 1. What happens when you put a North Pole next to a South Pole?
Ooh, opposites. They attract and stick together.
Correct. Question 2. Does a magnet work through paper and water?
Yes, the magnetic field is a ghost force. It goes right through.
Perfect. Last one. What giant object are we standing on that acts like a huge magnet?
Planet Earth.
You are a magnetic master, Alex. Now, for everyone watching, here is a challenge for you to try at home.
Go on a magnet hunt. Ask your parents for a ridge magnet. Then gently touch it to different things in your house. Does it stick to the table leg, the fridge door, a toy car? See which things are magnetic and which ones aren't.
Just don't put magnets near computers or tablets, okay? That's a no-no.
Before we go, let's wrap it up with the rhyme.
Magnets have a field so strong, pulling metal all day long.
North and south will stick so tight, but north and north will start a fight.
Through the wood and through the glass, the magnetic power will always pass.
Thanks for watching. If you've felt the attraction to this video, hit that like button.
And subscribe for more invisible magic and science fun. See you next time.